For every beginner, having the right tools is essential for tackling projects efficiently and safely. In this video, we'll show you the 8 best tools every beginner should have. AUX Pro 3 Axis Green Laser Level. Introducing the ultra-compact AUX Pro 3 Axis Green Laser Level, a tool that brings all the needed portability and precision to every beginner. This powerful mini laser level comes with a bonus magnetic mounting bracket for quick and easy setup on site. It's perfect for project managers, builders, and trade professionals who need a reliable tool they can take from site to site. Featuring a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, you can easily keep it powered using a power bank or any USB-C port. The laser level includes a tough storage case and operates in 3 modes: pulse, manual, and self-leveling, with 2 adjustable brightness levels for clear visibility and accurate measurements. Get your job done right with the AUX Pro 3-axis green laser level. Next, we have a 1/4-inch hex impact driver from Milwaukee. It will be a top choice for power and speed. Though it has enormous power and fastest driving qualities, this impact driver will be a great aid for beginners in the field. This tool features ultimate trigger control, thanks to RedLink Plus intelligence, which ensures smooth acceleration and prevents screw stripping and material damage. Plus, the Power State brushless motor provides unmatched power for a wide range of tasks, enhancing productivity with the fastest driving speeds without sacrificing control. It also comes with an M18 battery packs that offers more work per charge and longer battery life. Additionally, the 4-mode drive control gives users precise control over speed and power, while the self-tapping screw mode helps reduce screw walking and prevents overdriving, breaking, and stripping screws. This is the CRAFTSMAN 22-ounce steel framing hammer, a must-have tool for any job site, any newbie. This essential hammer features a milled face and a magnetic nail starter for hands-free nail setting, making your work more efficient. Its vibration reduction ergonomic grip ensures daily comfort and ease of use. Forged from a single piece of steel, it offers exceptional strength and durability. When the job is done, it can be easily hung up and stored away. Get your projects done right with the CRAFTSMAN 22-ounce steel framing hammer. Now, here comes the Bosch Professional Cordless Circular Saw, an ideal choice for people who are new to cutting tasks. Its powerful brushless motor not only ensures impressive cutting performance, but also offers faster cutting speeds, making it easier to accomplish tasks efficiently. Additionally, the brushless motor design contributes to the saw's longevity and reduces the need for frequent maintenance, perfect for those who are just starting out and may not be familiar with extensive tool upkeep. Moreover, the compact design of the circular saw enhances maneuverability and ease of use, allowing users to handle it with confidence and precision. Furthermore, its integrated dust extraction port is a standout feature, as it can be connected to both corded and cordless Bosch vacuum cleaners. This not only helps in maintaining a cleaner work environment, but also enhances safety by reducing airborne dust particles. Black & Decker Mouse Sander. Its compact size allows for easy maneuverability, making it effortless to navigate tight spaces and intricate details. With the 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, the sander can hold a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring it's always ready for use whenever you need it. Additionally, the detail finger attachment enables you to reach even the most challenging and hard-to-reach areas with ease, providing precise and thorough sanding results. Furthermore, the dust collection feature, allowing you to clean up quickly and maintain a tidy work environment. This not only saves time, but also promotes a healthier and safer workspace by minimizing airborne dust particles. With its cordless design and convenient features, the cordless mouse sander is the perfect companion for any project, letting you take it wherever your work takes you. Change your workshop safety standards with the GrabberPLUS from Milescraft. This versatile push block is designed to enhance safety and control on table saws, router tables, and band saws. Building upon the success of the original Grabber, the GrabberPLUS introduces 2 spring-loaded retractable heels, providing additional forward pressure and stability during cuts. These heels can be easily locked in place or left loose for automatic retraction, offering flexibility based on your needs. With its high-visibility yellow color and ergonomic handle design, the GrabberPLUS ensures maximum control and safety while keeping your hands away from the blade. The bottom features diamond grip rubber to firmly hold your workpiece and prevent slipping, while a soft TPE material protects boards from marring. For advanced comfort, control, and safety, the GrabberPLUS is the ideal solution for workshops of any size. Say hello to the RYOBI 8-inch pruning chainsaw. This compact chainsaw delivers 3 times faster cutting speed thanks to its powerful brushless motor and advanced electronics. With its 8-inch bar and chain, it effortlessly tackles branches up to 6 inches in diameter. So any beginner can easily tackle the light-duty pruning and light limbing tasks. Enjoy over 65 cuts per charge with the 18-volt, 2-amp-hour lithium battery, ensuring longer runtime and faster cutting action. Plus, its 30% more compact design allows easy access to tight spaces where other chainsaws can't reach. Experience the ultimate convenience with the oil-free design, eliminating the need for messy bar and chain oil application. The Klein heavy-duty hinged knee pads are crafted to prioritize worker safety in demanding job site environments. Designed with a gel and foam padded pocket, these knee pads ensure maximum pressure distribution for unparalleled comfort during prolonged wear. Their generous surface area offers stability and support, while the adjustable quick fasten buckle guarantees a snug and secure fit. Enhanced with hinged thigh straps, these knee pads remain firmly in place throughout rigorous tasks. Constructed with heavy-duty stitching and reinforced with metal rivets, they boast exceptional durability to withstand the toughest conditions. Get all-day comfort and reliable protection with the hinged knee pads, essential gear for any demanding workday. So, that's all! Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time!